Makalingaw man diha ang magsinabay. Yes, oh correct. Actually, if you come to think about this, Tatay Digong really has a very, very unique power. And that power is really to unite people. You know why? He's really led people to mingle, to unite for one objective. And that objective is to move forward as one nation, for the Filipino people to be reliant and come in solidarity, through peaceful gathering. There's a lot of things I can think of na while I am doing live right now, I am self-reflecting at the same time. No, constantly reflecting sa reality na this is really special. I am just grateful. I am honored, or it is my honor to do this because I am doing this not only for the former president, but because I value our sovereignty. I value my identity as a Filipino. To me, this is very personal. It's not only about the Philippines, but it's about our independence. And of course, I maintain that this arrest to the former president is illegal. Those are some of my many convictions. I can say a lot of things about what happened to the former president, but it's inhumane, to say the least, to be honest. People from all over the globe, they are here. They came here. They traveled from different places. Sorry. You know why? They are not even paid to do that. Voluntarily, they came here out of their love and support. That's genuine support, honestly. So guys, nandito na naman kami. Ngayon, live na naman sa labas ng detention facility. Dumadami na naman yung mga kababayan natin, guys. Look. You know, iba't iba talaga ang sentimento, guys, ng mga kababayan natin na nandito sa labas ng detention facility. Yung iba, talagang gusto nilang pumasok sa loob, pero hindi naman pwede. Yung iba naman, talagang bumiyahe pa ng napakalayo kasi nga gusto nila na parang naging holiday na siya kasi nga meron tayong meet and greet sa 23rd. Yung iba babalik pa sa 28 kasi gusto nila na mag-celebrate ng birthday together with our former President Tatay Digong. It's very surreal kasi nga meron pa mga bata dito din. At saka it's very nice to be able to feel na ganun yung suporta ng mga kababayan natin sa ating former president. Guys, so it's very interesting also. Yun lang po. Kung gusto nyo pong mag-send ng letter para kay Tatay Digong, please refer to the post lang po. At saka malalaman nyo din doon po yung ano talaga yung na-feel ng mga tao. Watching from Malaysia, we are waiting because the VP is inside the detention facility and we would want to cover probably her thoughts and opinions and maybe greetings. So we are outside here, guys. Ang dami na meron na namang police dito, guys, para to make sure that we are all okay. So we have police here. But yeah, of course, nandito naman kami. Meron na namang police because sabi nila kailangan talaga naming i-maintain ang peace and order. Kasi nga nandito kami sa lahat sa labas. Ang dami po ng mga tao na nandito ngayon. Ang iba galing pa sa iba't ibang bahagi ng mundo. Ang iba na galing from Hawaii even. Hawaii, Belgium, Iceland. Hello po guys, we are patiently waiting outside. Nandito po yung vice president natin na actually she just entered the facility and it's really nice. God bless you po na adjud mo ga support ni Tatay Digong. Yes, exactly. Look. Diba? Really, people are transforming this location as a tourist area, sort of. Diba? Yung mga kababayan natin galing pang France, galing pang iba't ibang lugar, Belgium, Germany, Sweden, Iceland, Hawaii, London even. Sir, hi sir, taga Bohol, mi kamusta si Tatay Digong o si update. Jessa May Anor, according sa lead counsel ni Tatay kanina, Attorney Kaufman said or mentioned that the former President Duterte is in high spirits. So they had a meeting in the morning actually. So right now I think the Vice President and the former President is now talking about perhaps what they have talked about. So we are not privy of the information, but we hope that everything will go as planned and that as soon as possible our beloved President Duterte will be brought back to the Philippines. But of course that's our hope, but the process is very cumbersome, as they call it. Vin o sa balita dira naa si VP sa sulod sa facility. So that's actually the facility, guys. Narami diri sa Nami diri dapit sa may Murag Park in front of it. To be able to do this, tingnan mo, padami yung mga kababayan natin nag-aantay sa ating mahal na pangalawang Pangulo po. Nandito lang po sila lahat. Unsan development diha, Sir Alvin, hapit ng birthday ni Tatay Digong. Ang development is we've heard from the lead counsel of our former president that they were able to compose, or the composition of their legal team has been finalized, and we heard also na there will be Filipino in the team. Also, that our former president is in good spirits, and we can't wait until the development that will take place in the coming weeks, because now finally they can proceed as planned. Can you imagine? There's a lot of people all over the globe from different places. Sobra, guys, all over Europe, all over different continent, all over the globe. Magdugay, sir, ma best friend na jud na ninyo. Oh, correct. Reng Marie Mejares, that's correct. Murag ma best friend na namo ang mga police. Because you know why? The police are not here para murag palayason me or something. Well, basically, with all demonstration, gathering or whatnot, you really need to secure a permit para maging okay kayo. But if you don't have that, you need to just be peaceful, because it is our right to gather an assembly peacefully. It is okay as long as hindi kayo maingay, hindi kayo magulo, walang nag-aaway-aaway, ganon. Mauwaw mo kasi.
Ay, kauwaw kay super. Talang kanihanga ni mo.
Bitaw, but I don't know. Maybe it's because of my love for the country. I don't know.
And also for Tatay.
For Tatay Digong, of course. Patriote.
The purpose of Tatay
Digong, oo. Nakita na ko sa iyahan na.
Deserving na.
Oo, na-adri. Emotional lagi. Ay, gila kayo ba si makahila ko kapil. Thank you, ate, ha. Please follow her. Yeah, you see, pindot good kaayo to. It's very nice. Daghang kay tao. Please follow our page. Shout out po, watching from Butuan City. Hello, Cherry May. Watch out. Ay, watch out. Shout out. Hello, sir. I'm being permitted. Ang daming Pinoy. Oh my God. Yes, hindi pa to madami. This is just, I don't know, a few. Hindi pa to madami, guys. Kung pwede palang pumunta dyan or sumuporta kay Tatay, di kaso malayo talaga. I'm watching from Davao City. Yes, thank you. It is my honor to be able to do this and to connect you guys to the realities on the ground. Warm greetings sa inyo, Alvin Kanunay. I'm watching from Davao. Hello, people. Hello from Davao. People of Davao. Hello, watching from Cyprus on the 28th of March. My celebration kay Tatay Digong that is yet to be determined or finalized. Alvin, pa-shout out Hilot family from Kidapawan City. Hello, Hilot family from Kidapawan City. Shout out sa mga Bisaya in Canada. Amping og salamat sa way hunong nga suporta kay FPR former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte Negrosanon. It is my honor and my duty as a Filipino to do this. Hello, Malcolm. Thank you for watching and engaging. In all honesty, a shout out from Hilo family. Okay, watching from Singapore, thank you. Watching from Florida, USA, Peter Brian Blasco Tejada. Thank you for watching. March rally po kami, Shibuya, Japan. Support namin po. Jocelyn, thank you for doing that. Thank you so much, sir, for the company. Sobrang appreciate namin ang time and effort ninyo. Yes,